it's Tracy. I just wanted to show off my new ficus tree. I got it from Ollie's for $40. Had to go back to Ollie's today. Couldn't find any greenery, but I did go to Goodwill and Kirklands. Would you like to do a haul with me? Okay. Hi guys, it's Tracy with Secondhand Tracy and letting the fan get to me. It is a hot tamale out there today. It is a scorching 87 degrees. So I went to Goodwill and I happened upon some treasures today. So the first thing I found was this. This is a candy bowl. This is a candy bowl. OMG. Now, I didn't want to look too hard because there were some ladies there that were just tearing it up. So I just picked it up, put it under my shoulder, and just kept walking. But I was hoping this came from like one of the big names. But anyway, it didn't. It was $2.99 today. And it's funny how when you put stuff out into the universe, how it comes to you. I have finally settled on my Halloween theme. So I'm going to insert a couple pictures here. But this was probably going to be my biggest and hardest item on my Halloween themed room. And it's the first thing I found today for $2.99. To go with this, this was there. So I figured I better pick these up. These were not priced. So I love it when the Goodwill woman or the Goodwill person or the Goodwill checkout clerk says 99 cents. Yeah. So we are getting the ball rolling with my Halloween theme family room. I am so excited. Also at Goodwill was this. OMG. He's 99 cents. Nothing's 99 cents anymore. And yeah, he's got a little felt pad on him, but he's pottery because he's got some writing under there. I just thought he was super cute for a dresser. Little knick-knack shelf. I got a little knick-knack shelf upstairs on my desk, my craft desk. Actually, it looks pretty good just sitting right here in the white family room. Okay, also at Goodwill, and I wanted to wait to open this with you. Look at this little silo. It was $3.23, but I wanted to wait because it's got this piece on the bottom and I don't know what this is. So I thought, oh, this will be fun to open up on camera with you. I'm just gonna gently do this. People? Aww. Okay, so I got this. Oh, they're picking apples. They're doing apples. And there's some apples down here. So I got this for the Halloween farm. And oh boy, has my village come to completion. I'm saving the Christmas part as we get closer to the season. Let me show you the farm. Oh, so cute after I put this in. So here is the farm coming along. And I was really worried about getting other buildings for in here because I was not sure how I was going to layer this. But I think this is gonna work now. So we're gonna move a little things and we'll get it all set up. All right, here we go. Let's go to Joe's Smoke Shack, get a barbecue. Here's our new piece. And I just incorporated it with the hay bales and the pumpkin. This barn is new to me too. You can get a lot of good pieces at Goodwill for like $2.99. And then the Haunted Mansion I made from a Dollar Tree dollhouse. So that worked out really great. I'm very thrilled with this. I believe I'm done with the fall farm. I just need a background. We can light her up. Okay, next up at Goodwill is a light top. The noodle is, the color today was red. So this was half off, so $3.50. Work sharp. And this noodle, I shopped the noodle red, $3.50. So I'm hoping this is black. Hoping. Maybe purple, like a dark purple, but I'm hoping. You always gotta get the shirts when you can get the shirts. Then I stopped off at Dollar Tree because I wanted to get a little bit of floral foam for that ghost that I showed you in the beginning of the video. We're going to tuck this into her hat. And then I picked up this at Goodwill for $1.99. It's just a ceramic egg holder. Got this at Dollar Tree. What I'm hoping to do with this is to do a little wreath, like a moss covered wreath or something with florals here so that he stands out. Just going to stick them in a little bit. This is also for the skeleton head. These are hanging florals, so this will go like this. Once they get down in there, they'll go like this. They'll be real creepy, real creepy when I'm done. So yeah, he's got some stuff. For those of you who care, Dollar Tree has red dots on everything because their prices increased to $1.75 an item. They were not busy. I don't know if people are protesting this or not, but we're gonna have to find another source. Like Gabe's. I'm interested in going to Gabe's or somewhere else. And then Kirkland's. Kirkland's scared me. I always treat myself to Kirkland's. They're 75% off today. It said store-wide sale, and I was terrified because I don't want them closing. But I was trying to get pillow inserts because I'm done with down, and I want to go back to light down, which is called cotton. But this is for the it's a textured brown. It is for the office. This was $5 today. I thought that was a steal. And then for my husband's couch, I got 2 of these. And these were $9 today. I thought these were a steal. Because his couch is kind of like a burnt orange terracotta. It's leather. So these will look really good on there, and they're so soft. We're not going to get poked anymore by the down feathers. So this is my haul, friends. If you would please give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe. It's awfully hot outside. I've got to go outside and plant some roses. The girl at Goodwill was super nice, but she said, made me think about this. I bought this for displaying my eggs in the kitchen. But she says, oh, you can put deviled eggs in there. And I thought, don't think you can because the egg is designed to sit straight up. But what do you do with your ceramic? You put these in the fridge or do you store them from the chickens on the counter? Because this is so pretty. All right, friends, until next time, I hope you're staying cool. Our fireworks were great last night. We have a neighbor in the on the street who does them. So we just walk out and have our own little celebration, but stay cool and Halloween hunting. Happy Halloween hunting. Start your stash. Get it ready because I like fresh and new stuff every year. And I hope you stop back by to see what I'm up to. Bye for now. Bye, friends. Okay, so I'm going to try cutting these to be stuck in so they're hanging off the side. I could count all my stems while I am in the Dollar Tree. And when I get home, there's going to be one missing. Okay, so now as we move ahead in the floral arrangement for Halloween, this is really coming along. Creepy.